right, Zombie Dog. I don't know who makes it. I've got a distributor listed, but if you didn't make it, I'm not going to credit you. Jalapeno, ghost pepper, pineapple, apricots, seasonings. I could just drink that one. Boy, that smells good. So let's see. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Sweet, fruity. This would be awesome on pork chops. This is really, really good. Again, though, with the ghost pepper, if you're going to advertise it's ghost pepper this or boot jalokia that, make it hot. That's my only disappointment, but it's got a great flavor. I recommend it. Don't know who makes it, so look at the little zombie dog on the bottle. Yeah, very good. Highly recommended.